Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Hopper Price Freeze. So let's get straight into the video. So Hopper Price or Hopper's Freeze price allows you to lock in a flight or hotel price for non-refundable small fee, giving you more time to book. Within the Hopper app, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select stays or flights. Simply go ahead and search for a flight that you want to go ahead and take. Let's say Dubai. Simply go ahead and click on departure and then select when you would like to departure. Click on select. Click on search. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and look for the specific flight time and date. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on view flights, or you could also go back and click on price freeze right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and continue to payment right over here to freeze it at that price right over here. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.